today we're going to be learning how to keep our watermelon fresh. So watermelon is an absolutely great summer dish. It's one of my favorites. But it always gets like at the end or the bottom, there's like, it's soggy. So it's like all the water, all the juice from it just kind of surrounds it all and makes that really soggy. And then those pieces are extremely gross. So my mom just cut this so you can see how much like water there is in it. I'll hold it up.
It's called the effluent.
So, I mean, it's absolutely horrible. I mean, what if we drained that? That might taste good. Okay, so that's the thing for another time. But I'm just going to stick the lid on. I'm going to leave a little gap there. And what we want to do is we want to get all this water out. I don't know. It'd be juice, right? Watermelon juice. So I'm just going to drain it out and just watch how much water there is. So this will just really help keep the watermelon fresh. I mean, just do this every once in a while. I don't know, every day or so while you have your watermelon. And it just keeps it a lot more fresh and really tastes a lot better. So you can see how much nicer that is. So yeah, it's great. That's a good tip. Go try that. If your watermelon is soggy and you do not like the way your watermelon tastes after like a day, go drain the water out. So there you go. Thanks.